Okay, quick tutorial on spawners. So as you can see, I've got a sprite box, an box, an object spawner, and in the room, the only thing I've got inside the room is just the object spawner, which has no sprite. So we'll take a look at the spawner's code first. In the create code, if we open it up, you'll see that all it really has is done is there's an alarm set, alarm 0, and it's equal to random range 10 to 50. This is pretty quick. This is, 10 over 30, so a third of a second to 50 over 30, 1 2/3 of a second for random range. So I wanted them to spawn pretty quickly. If you want only a specific number of things spawned, then you could put in another variable here of some sort. I put in number equals 0, and I'm going to have a finite number of things being spawned. You don't have to have that in, but I figured why not. So on the alarm section, all it does is it says if your number is less than 5, and again, if you want infinitely many spawn, just leave this part out. If your number is less than 5, then instance create object box, so it creates a box. It resets the alarm, so the alarm will go off again in another, fraction of a second, and then it adds 1 to number. So the next time through, number will be 1, number will be 2, number will be 3, and eventually it'll just stop doing this part because there's, number is past this limit of 5. If you want 20 boxes or 40 boxes, you just increase this. So this spawns the boxes. If we go over to look at the boxes, all I've done here is I've told them to go to a random place. So random underscore room width simply says pick a number between 0 and whatever the width of the room is. Same thing for height. Pick a number between 0 for a Y value and whatever room height is. So it should spawn them all over the room. And then all we got to do is run it, and you see that we should have 5 randomly placed things show up somewhere in the room. And that's a quick spawner, and that's all we really wanted today. Thanks.